Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to Prabhu KB's YouTube channel. I am the CEO, Managing Partner of Fibocan LLP. As you know, Fibocan is into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, and helping clients devise their investment strategies through our technology, products, and solutions, and innovative strategies. Today is October 24th, Sunday. In this video, we will be discussing about how the global markets, commodities and currencies performed last week, what we can expect from these markets in this week and for the rest of the month, and probably the next month also, the indicators. First, we will start with the USD INR pair. It closed at 74.994. Till Wednesday, on the daily chart, rupee was strengthening and hence it was coming down. However, on Thursday, it stopped the downward move and there was a bullish reversal. On Friday, a strong bullish reversal happened, which once again confirmed that dollar is going to strengthen against rupee, and rupee, we had earlier indicated that 73.90 will act as a strong support, below which we will not see, we see that price again. Also on the weekly chart, it has formed a doji star and it is just below the upper band. If it opens gap up on Monday, it has strong potential to go up, and probably even 76 levels can be touched in a month or 2 months time. That is how technically the picture is looking like. Next we go into the monthly is also strong. Next we go into the dollar index. Dollar index at 93.625. In the daily, it is just be above the lower band, Bollinger's lower band, just above the Bollinger's lower band. Trend is turning down in the weekly. In the monthly, it has chance of forming a bearish reversal or a bearish candle, dark cloud cover, that is what we call. However, it reversed from the lower time frame, it reversed from the lower band a few months back, which is why it is holding at these levels. But the lower time frame, that is the daily and weekly, are not supporting this move. Hence, probably in 2-3 months down the line, dollar index might not stay above the upper band. Instead, it can go below the middle band and keep going down. So at this point in time, the picture is not very clear. We have to see how the trend goes down the line. US 10-year yield, in the daily, it formed the first solid reversal by forming a strong reversal candle, bearish candle. In the weekly, it is riding nicely along the upper band. However, in the monthly, also it is strongly moving. Though it is strongly moving, next month I expect it to form a falling 3 methods, meaning that it can fall down and can come all the way down to 93 levels or so. It can come. There is chances because of the type of the candle that it formed and the support not coming from the lower time frame, that is the 60-minute and 5-hour candles. Next, we look at dollar index, NYMEX and Brent. Both are above, NYMEX at 85 and Brent at 83 levels. We had indicated that it will touch 90. In fact, the way it is looking strong, it is just having one-way move on the daily, weekly and monthly chart. In the weekly, it is nicely riding along the upper band. In fact, it has to be called as badly riding along the upper band because it is not good for Indian economy. Hence, it has chance of even going up to 100 levels, which is a cause for concern from an Indian market, Indian economic perspective. Next, we look at the global markets: Dow, S&P, Nasdaq, and FTSE. Dow, S&P, and FTSE are looking very strong. In fact, Dow looks the strongest of all. Of course, FTSE is also looking very strong. Of all these things, in the daily chart, it is nicely moving along the upper band. In the weekly, it is just below the upper band. In the monthly, Dow and S&P and FTSE has formed a bullish engulfing pattern, meaning whatever the losses that it had incurred on September month, and in the first week of October, it has completely recovered and it has gone up. So with this uptrend, and if it closes next month or the December month onwards, it is going to go up in a very strong way. Nasdaq looks little weak. Although it looks little weak, it has formed a bullish candle till now, piercing pattern type of candle. Hence, it has also potential to go up while it looks the weakest of the indexes. So with this, we will see how the market is going to perform, how the US INR pair is going to support or not support Indian markets next week. See you tomorrow evening after Indian market closes. Thank you.